this is Maggie Lee. The fall has come into Silicon Valley. I'm so excited to show you my latest Cerro Park listing, 1706 Wright Avenue, Sunnyvale. This is a beautifully updated home with top Cupertino schools. You got to see this. Come on in, let's take a look. Now you've seen the beautiful inside. I want to highlight what makes this home over the top special. This house sits on nearly quarter acre of land, and you can do so much with it. I encourage you to see this house in person. You owe it to yourself. If you have any questions about this home or the neighborhood, call me. I'm Maggie Lee, your Cerro Park neighbor and a neighborhood specialist.